Hello, fourth graders. Here we are on Sabine's porch, and we've got some really cool rocks to show you. Let's start with some of the rounded ones. What can you tell us about these, Sabine?
These two have been in a river, and that's why they're so round. This one's a quartz, and this is a granite.
Yeah, so there's a lot of quartz in that one. Now we're going to go on to a mineral. Remember that rocks are made of minerals, just like your cereal might be made of flakes and nuts and raisins. So what mineral is this, Sabine?
These are quartz.
Quartz crystals, yeah.
These are quartz crystals, and this is just a big chunk of quartz. And quartz can be found in rocks like granite.
Good. So now let's move on to the next one. Here we've got some beautiful granites. So what minerals make up granite, Sabine?
The minerals that make up granite are quartz, feldspar, and biotite.
Good. Quartz, feldspar, and biotite. What else do we know about that was in your homework? You guys talked about batholiths. So the Idaho batholith is a big, kind of used to be underground mass of granite, which is really cool. So here we can see these different minerals. The black ones are biotite, black biotite, clear quartz, and kind of a milky colored feldspar. Those are all the different colors in granite. And you can have big crystals or smaller crystals. All right, what do we have here, Sabine?
This is a basalt, and basalt comes from volcanoes.
Good.
And on the other side are bumps.
Oh.
And these bumps are from calcium carbonate and soil formation.
Good, excellent. So in Idaho, we have a lot of granite and we have a lot of basalt. So if you pick up a rock in Idaho, chances are it's either a basalt or a piece of granite. The next ones are more rare in Idaho. What do we have here?
This is schist.
Schist, and if you can see it in here,
it's very shiny.
Shiny, very shiny. And that is is that a igneous rock, metamorphic, or sedimentary?
It's it's a metamorphic rock, and the metamorphosis makes it shiny.
Good. All right, moving right along. What do we have here?
This is a dolostone, and this is a sedimentary rock, and you can see that it's got a really cool line just curving around it.
Yes.
And it's also like limestone, which is also a sedimentary rock.
And this is from the Lost River Range in Idaho. There's lots of really cool limestones in the Lost Rivers.
This is shale. It is actually not from Idaho, and it's very smooth, and it's also sedimentary.
Good, and that's actually from the shores of Lake Erie. And shale is very flat, and as you can see,
this one is actually broken.
It can fall apart pretty easily, yes. All right, and what do we have here?
This is a big piece of sandstone.
Big piece of sandstone. Is that igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic?
This is sedimentary, and if you feel it, it's very rough and sandy.
It feels like sand. And oh my gosh, this will have to be for next time. Some more beautiful rocks and minerals. What's that one?
This is
That's called muscovite.
Muscovite. And earlier, there was a jelly bean in this.
Oh my goodness. All right. Well, thanks so much, Sabine. I learned a lot about rocks. Hope you guys did too.